Hello everyone, and I can't believe that I'm saying this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I am Vidushi Garg, and first of all, thank you for being here right at the beginning of this journey. And I know you must be thinking that who am I? So, answering to the question, I'm Vidushi Garg, and I've just completed my 3 years long journey in Christ University, Delhi NCR. सो मेरी ये जो जर्नी रही है क्राइस्ट में ये फुल ऑफ लर्निंग थी, ग्रोइंग थी, एंड आई हैव लर्नड सो मच. आई हैव मेड मैनी मिस्टेक्स एंड आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ लेसन्स, क्योंकि आई बिलीव कि हर कोई अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा सीखता है. एंड मैंने भी अपनी 3 साल की इस लॉन्ग जर्नी में बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत गलतियाँ भी की हैं, but at last I'm proud of it. So I have just shifted to Delhi like 2 days back, and now I am a corporate woman. As you can see that I'm so excited about it. And so this is my PG room. I will show you the PG room once it is all set, and I will also show you my PG as well. But अभी थोड़ा सेट होने में टाइम लगेगा. So in the next video and the upcoming videos you will see everything. Now I will be working 10 to 6, and I will figure everything out by my own. And I'm a little bit of scared also because अब काफ़ी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आ जाएंगी एंड हमें सब कुछ खुद मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. नॉट अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट एनी मोर. एंड ऑल्सो आफ्टर 1 month आई विल बी फाइनली ग्रेजुएटेड, क्योंकि 1 महीने बाद मेरा कॉन्वोकेशन है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज वाई आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस चैनल. सो from a very long time, I alwas wanted to create content and help others, but वो होता है ना कि जब जिसका टाइम आता है तभी होता है. तो और मैं बहुत टाइम से लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पर भी कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रही थी. सो एंड देन अ थॉट केम इनटू माय माइंड लाइक व्हाई ओनली Instagram and why not YouTube. Although I will mention my Instagram ID here and you have to follow it. So yes, this thought came in my mind like why only one platform and why not YouTube. On YouTube I can share my life, my experiences, my mistakes, and I can make people's life better. Like they can watch this and they can solve their problems, or अगर थोड़ी सी भी हेल्प हो रही है किसी की, then why not YouTube. So yes, and I always wanted to create something of my own, having my own identity, build my personal brand. So हमेशा से ये सब thoughts थे. तो अब फाइनली YouTube का टाइम आ गया है एंड दैट्स वाई आई एम हेयर. आई नो अभी मैंने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया है एंड बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स होंगी, एंड सो दिस चैनल इज़ नॉट फॉर परफेक्शन. It's just that we can build connection as an audience, and we can like have a discussion about life and many things we have around ourselves. So the next question comes that what as an audience you all can expect from this channel. Firstly, a day in my life vlogs, like as you know that Delhi ki life, Delhi ka traffic, and obviously corporate woman क्या कर रही है, कहाँ जा रही है, कैसा दिन जा रहा है उसका. तो ये सब वैसे vlogs रहेंगे. एंड सेकेंडली देयर विल बी सेल्फ ग्रोथ कंटेंट लाइक द बुक्स आई रीड, द लेसन्स आई लर्न इन माई कॉलेज, एंड what I have experienced in my college. So yes, and thirdly, musical videos will be there because I love singing, and I'm so grateful for it because I have not learned singing from anywhere, and it is God gifted. So for this I'm grateful to God, and I will soon be sharing my musical videos as well. And lastly, there will be lifestyle content as well. All this content I will share because in starting I want to explore everything, and I want that what my audience wants more. One last suggestion, that the ones who are just starting their journey like me, even it is YouTube or a job or a college, don't worry, everything will be fine. Life सबके लिए टफ़ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी के लिए ईजी है या किसी के लिए, कुछ ही लोगों के लिए ईजी है, कुछ ही लोगों के लिए टफ़ है. ऐसा नहीं है. life is difficult for everyone and everything will be fine. Just keep working hard, believe in yourself, and you will get through all of it. So yes, this was from my side. I would say that thank you for watching this video so far, and I would also like to share that while recording this I was also very nervous because this is my first video, but I really want that this channel grow, and with me and with you as well. Like जो भी ups and downs होंगे, जो भी hustle and healing के between जो भी process होगा, I want that you as an audience stay with me and हम साथ में grow करें. So thank you for watching this video so far. I will be needing a lot of support from each one you who are watching this video right now. And if this video resonated with you even a little, then please do like, leave a comment, and you may share it with a friend as well. We will have more fun, we will have more engaging videos, and we'll meet in upcoming videos. Okay, till then, bye bye.